Welcome back to the course Information Systems Strategy. In the 10th lecture of this course, I address IT standardization and innovation. In the previous lecture, we learned about the content of IT contracts, the clauses that we need to add to IT contract to increase commitment and trust between the two parties. We learned about various service delivery models, service types such as SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS, and as well as development types such as on-premise, uh, cloud, public cloud, and shared cloud. We also learned about a vendor assessment matrix, which included several criteria to assess the three finalists that wanted to deliver a software application. We also learned about the vertical, horizontal, and virtual integration. In this lecture, we try to help Jim Barton with the issues he bumped into in chapters 16 and 17 of the textbook. We help him in choosing the right standardization enforcement approach. We help him to identify ways that IT can increase the innovation capacity of the organization. We also help Jim Barton to find a way or several ways to show the contribution of IT to innovation capacity. At the end of this lecture, you can explain the effect of IT complexity on the organization. You can describe IT and business standardization that would reduce IT complexity. You can describe business integration and sharing data between business units. And we use the two concepts of business integration and business standardization to develop the idea of operating model and use it to explain what the right approach to IT standardization enforcement is. You can also describe how IT helps with innovation and how innovation can be measured in an organization. In the next video, I will go over IT standardization and the right approach to enforcing standardization in an organization.